Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3, Chapter number 14, Inside the Kitchen. Students, in our kitchen, there are lot of things. We prepare our food in the kitchen. There are lot of things used while preparing our food, right? So let us learn about it. How do we prepare food items? People prepare variety of food items according to their liking. They use variety of ingredients for the purpose like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables and fruits, eggs, meat and fish. Many of our food items are prepared by heating. To cook rice, we need to add water to the rice and boil it. So boiling method is used to cook rice. Puris and pakodas are fried in the oil. Modaks and idlis are steamed. Chapatis and bhakris are roasted. These are different methods of cooking food. Foodstuffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by heating them. But not all foodstuffs are prepared by heating. We eat some food that is raw, that means it is uncooked. We eat fruits mostly without cooking. We also eat some vegetables raw. For example, cucumber and tomatoes. A cucumber salad or a banana shake are made without heating. There are some food items that can be eaten in two different ways. For example, papad. Papad can either be roasted or fried. Peanuts can be eaten plain or roasted. So there are different methods which makes our food tastier. Methods of supplying heat for cooking. We can choose from various fuels to supply the heat needed for cooking. New term, a combustible substance. A substance that can burn is a combustible substance. Camphor burns, hence, it is a combustible substance. Water does not burn, hence, it is not a combustible substance. New term, fuel. A combustible substance that can be used conveniently for obtaining the heat is called a fuel. Cooking gas, kerosene, coal, all are examples of fuel. However, all combustible substances are not used as fuel. Only those which can burn easily and give plenty of heat are used as fuel. Nowadays, people prefer using cooking gas as a fuel. It is easy to use, it lights quickly, it does not give out smoke. Cooking gas also saves our time. Some people use firewood for cooking. Burning wood is a troublesome task. It also makes lot of smoke. Besides, trees have to be cut down for wood that is harmful for our environment. Some people use coal burning stove, which is also called as shagdi. Coal also gives out smoke. Those who use fuels like wood, coal that give out smoke must have windows in their kitchen. Because of that, we get a lot of light and also prevent smoke from collecting in the house. Some people use kerosene stoves for cooking. Nowadays, we get hot plates for cooking on electricity. They are very convenient to use. Some people use biogas. There are some people who use heat from the sun for cooking. They use a solar cooker. These were the different methods in which cooking is done. Now let us have a short recap. We cook food by heating. It makes the food tastier and easier to digest. Boiling, steaming, frying and roasting are some of different ways of providing heat. Salad and milkshakes are example of food items that are prepared without heating. There are various kinds of stoves which makes convenient to burn fuel to obtain heat for cooking. Electricity and heat from sun can be used to obtain heat for cooking. Students, I hope this lesson was useful for you all. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.